Hey everybody.
Welcome to our channel. And today we're going to be making
vegan empanadas.
They're loaded with kale, mushrooms, vegan cheese. They're going to be delicious. So, stay tuned.
Enjoy.
Alright, so the ingredients we're going to need is kale, rotel, or tomatoes, whatever you want to use, onions. We got some mushrooms and seasonings. These are all going to be, and Beyond Meat beef crumbles, the Fiesta kind, and a little bit of dairy-free cheese. That's going to be all the fillings for your empanadas. And to actually make your empanadas, the ingredients are very simple. You just need masa dough and a little bit of water and salt. That's it.
Okay, so you want to add 1/4 of a cup of water into your masa flour. And stir it up real nice.
Until it forms a ball. Just knead it into a nice little ball. Alright, so in a skillet you want to start sauteing your kale, mushrooms, and onions on about medium heat. You can use any other vegetables or any kind of fillings that you want in your empanadas.
Alright, so now once you got it all sauteed and started to saute in your skillet, you want to add your seasonings.
You got some onion powder, garlic powder, salt, some cracked pepper.
And your tomatoes.
And now you want to add your beef crumbles. They don't have to cook that long, so you don't want to overcook it. Just toss it in there. Let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we'll start filling in our empanadas. So I just rolled the dough up into 12 round balls. And then what you want to do is, so I cut up a gallon Ziploc bag in half. You're going to take the ball and put it in between the gallon bag. And you're going to just take it and fold it over. And just use like a heavy pot and smash it down until it's flat. Just like that. And then you start filling it. Alright, so what you want to do is just, after you flattened out your empanada, you want to just take a little bit of the filling right in the center. And then this is where the cheese comes into play. You want to take a little bit of your shredded vegan cheese, place it right on top. And you're going to use the bag to help fold your empanada in half. What you're going to do is you're going to take it and just fold it right on over. Make sure your filling doesn't fall out. And you're just going to press the sides together. Make sure your filling is staying in and just press the sides together. Using your plastic wrap. Just fold the sides. Make them neat, but make sure they're sealed. The plastic wrap just helps keep it all together. There you go. And then you want to just take it and put it in your grease. and cook it until both sides are golden brown.
And as you see, we put one in already before it, and it's already flipped on one side. So that's the golden brown that you should have, and that's the fresh one. All right, so these are the finished product of the empanadas. That's the nice golden brown color that we was telling you about that you want to see, let you know that they're all cooked. And this is everything, so enjoy. Okay, so that was the empanadas.
So we hope you enjoyed the video.
Yes, we do.
Please subscribe if you haven't.
Please.
Like this video. Check out our website, Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat. So,
and leave us some comments, give us some ideas that you want to see, some things that you would want us to cook.
Feedback on what we can do differently. All right, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye.